Good day. We're delighted to extend a warm invitation to all nursing professionals to join the ECCC Dubai 2024, the 20th Emirates Critical Care Conference taking place from 10th to 12th of May 2024 in Dubai, UAE. In collaboration with the Emirates Critical Care Nursing and the World Federation of Critical Care Nurses, we are committed to ensuring the critical care nurses have access to enriching educational opportunities, networking events, and professional development resources during the conference. ECCC Dubai 2024 will feature a diverse range of workshops, panel discussions, and presentations specifically tailored to the needs and interests of critical care nurses. Whether you're a seasoned critical care nurse or just beginning your career, ECCC Dubai 2024 offers something for everyone. We invite you to join us as we come together to advance our profession and improve patient care. Don't miss out on this invaluable opportunity to enhance your skills and contribute to the advancement of critical care nursing. See you there.